Hello everyone, welcome to the paper physics. Today I will introduce you guys how to determine the gravity acceleration, which is also as known as g. The first experiment we carry on is quite easy. We need just a steel ball which is quite small but heavy to eliminate the influence of air resistance. Also a type ruler and stopwatch. First, we need to recall the distance or measure the distance between ball release point and the ball hitting ground point, and by type ruler. And also let's begin this experiment. We release the ball the moment we start the stopwatch. And when the ball is falling down and hit on the ground, immediately we stop watch. Okay, we stop watch, and we got the two figures, which is the height of board above the ground, and also the time taken of whole movement. According to this formula, we can get the final g. G and we know the initial velocity is 0, so finally g equal to 2 times h by t square. T represents the time taken of whole movement. H is the height, the ball release point above the ground. So repeat this several times, you will get the average g value. Actually, from this point we analyze this, we can find the experimental value of g is quite larger than the real one. The reason we discussed to our group member, we found is there are two reasons. The first is human reaction time, and the initial velocity cannot be controlled exactly 0. So we move to another experiment to avoid these two factors. Still the symbol here, and set up two light gates A and B. A is a little bit above B, and make sure the ball can go through each light in middle of the light, and also you need to put the release point ball above A. Light gate A, and also need the type ruler to record the distance or separation between light gate and light gate A and light gate B. Release point, release ball, light 8 go through with light gate A and B, like this, and we got two figures in separation between A and B, also the instantaneous velocity of A and the instantaneous velocity of B. Instantaneous A and B actually cannot directly read by the light gate, but we can know the distance of distance of top and bottom of light A, and also the time taken, time covered the light when the ball went through the light A. Then according to the formula, V equals to distance by time, we got the instantaneous velocity at A. The same method to get the velocity B. And according to this method, 2g times delta x equal to VA squared to minus VB squared. Delta x is separation of gates. And let's repeat this experiment several times. You get the different value of g, and to calculate the average value of g. And comparing with this method, we can actually get the experimental g value quite close to the last experiment we carried on. And that's all for this today's paper's physics. Thank you for watching.